Welcome to the Nural ISP app tutorial. In this segment, we will learn how to upload market info. Let's get started. To start, open the Nural ISP app on your device and log in using your credentials. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the dashboard. Locate the Market Info module and tap on it. Within the Market Info module, you'll find a form to fill in the required details. The first step is to select the type of data you want to upload. You can choose from options such as scheme, branding, or product. Select the appropriate type that matches the information you want to upload. Next, you'll need to select the brand. After selecting the brand, you'll be prompted to choose the product category. Select the relevant product category that aligns with the data you are uploading. In the Remarks section, you have the option to provide additional comments or notes. Feel free to enter any relevant details in the provided text box. Moving on, you'll have the option to upload images. Please note that uploading 3 images is mandatory. These images should be relevant to the market information you are submitting. Tap on the image icon and capture the image. Once you have filled in all the required details, reviewed the remarks, and uploaded the mandatory images, take a moment to review the information you have entered. If any changes are required, you can easily edit the respective fields. When you're satisfied with the information, click on the Submit button to submit the data. Congratulations! You have successfully uploaded the market information. That wraps up this tutorial on uploading market information using the Nural ISP app. Now you can easily share market insights and contribute to data analysis. Thank you for watching, and happy selling with Nural ISP.